stop motion tutorial. Supposed to go like that. There you go. That's how to make the guys walk. How to make him move his hands like this. Move it up slowly, then like that. And move it down. How to make. And then you keep walking, hopefully. How to make the minifigure jump is like this. Get some thread. You should tie it around like his hands. And then whoa! Then I try to make him hold as still as possible. See? And that's how you make a stop motion tutorial. Basta!